The nested if statement, it is always legal in the C program to nest if else statement in another if else. Okay, in a if condition, you can include another if condition. Okay, so that is called as the nested if. So nested if saying that in a one if condition, you can include another if condition. Here, if Boolean expression one, if your condition is true, then it is going to the inner block. We're defining a int a equals to 10, int b equals to 20. So two value we are passing, 10 and the rest, 100 and 200. Okay. Now if a is equals to 100, so a is equals to 100, condition is true. Now b is equals to 100. If first condition is true, then it is going for second condition. The b is equals to 200. If it is yes, then it is showing you the value of 100 and 200 is same. If you pass any other condition, then it shows an error. Another result. That is, the value 100 and 200 is not equal. बुझेला?
खाली if बोलते else किसी नहीं.
Here it is not having else statement. बुझेला?
Yes. So last को जो data printf लिखा है जी,
value
सेटा एक्चुअली कहीं
हमें ये जो value पास करे, value टा को show करिया पे ये printf use करा. So int a equals to 100, int b equals to 200. तो ये value data को print करिया पे हमें use करा.
ଯଦି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଦିଟା ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଦିଟା if ନେଇଛେ ଯଦି ତା ଭିତରୁ କିଛି ବି ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ବି ହଉ କି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ବି ହଉ ଯଦି ଫଲ୍ସ ହେଲା ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟଟା ତାହେଲେ କଣ ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ କରିବ?
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟଟା ଟ୍ରୁ ହେଲା,
ଯଦି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟଟା ଟ୍ରୁ ହେଲା ଆଉ ସେକେଣ୍ଡଟା ଫଲ୍ସ ହେଲା ମାନେ b = 200 ଜାଗାରେ ଅଲଗା କିଛି ହେଲା ତ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟଟା ଫଲ୍ସ ହବ. ତ ଫଲ୍ସ ଯଦି ହବ ସେଟା ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ ତାହେଲେ କଣ କରିବ?
এটা দেখো extract the value that is 100 and extract the value, suppose you are passing 300. So 100 and 300. এটা দেখো বুঝিলা?
ଆଉ ଦିଟା ଆଙ୍କ ଯଦି ଟ୍ରୁ ହେଲା ଆଉ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟଏଫ ଟା ଆମର ଅଛି value of a is 100 and b is 200 ସେଟା ବି ମେନସନ ହବ. ତା ତଳେ ପୁଣି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟ value of a ଆଉ ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟ value of b ବି ମେନସନ ହବ.
Then comes to the switch statement. A switch statement allow a variable to be tested for equality. For checking the equality, we're using it. It's just like that you are going to the restaurant and check the desired item from a list, and if you found the desired item, so you are stopping your searching, okay, and you are searching the desired item and that item is not present in the list, then at that timing the waiter is saying that sir, you will take, this is the special item in the hotel today, okay, or it is showing you some kind of common item that is usually prepared. The switch case statement is like that. You have to take a value and check with multiple case statements. If the value that you are taken, if it is matched with any case statement, then the corresponding statement is executed. If your value is not matched, okay, with any case statement, then your default statement is executed. Okay. So see that in every case statement, break is used. So why break is used? If you got your result, so there is no need to search the information again in another part. So that we are using break in any statement, it is match, so it is break over there. But default is what? If no cases will match, then at that cases, your default statement is executed. The following rules apply to switch statement. So it is a expressive use in a switch statement. It must have an integral or enumerated type by the class type in which class has a single convention function to the integral and enumerated type. You can have any number of case statement within a single switch. In a single switch statement, you can have multiple case statements. Each case is followed by the value to be compared and a column. The constant expression for the case must be same data type as the variable in the switch. So in the switch, you are defining a bracket. So which value you are taken, okay, so that value or that data type will same with the case statement.
constant expression कोडा कहउची
But like case रे case 1 case 2 जो लिखा होची एटा
हो
एटी हमें लिस्ट तो पास करे ना लिस्ट तक हमें चेंज कर परिबा एटा मेनू कार्ड को कोन होटल ला चेंज हो हमें जीवा मैच कर बुझेला
जो केस 1 केस 2 जो नंबर ऑफ केसेस सेटा को कहउची कांस्टेंट एक्सप्रेशन.
Yes, the constant for the case must be same data type as the variable in the switch, and it is must be a constant or literal. When the variable being switched on is equal to the case of the statement, following case will be executed until a break is reached. So until you are not getting a break statement or until you are not getting your result, so this process is continue for searching. Not every case needs a break. If no break appears, the flow of control will go through the subsequent cases. Okay, so in every cases, so don't write what don't write the statement. Okay, suppose if you write a case statement and for 5 case statement there is a one output, so first write all the 5 case statement, then you write the statement that you want to print. A switch statement can have an optional default case which appears of the switch. The default case can be used for performing a task when none of the case is true. So when none of the case is true, then at that case time, the default case is execute.
Sir, ଏଇଟା ସେମ୍ ଜିନିଷ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆମେ ପଢିଥିଲେ ସୁଡୋ କୋଡ୍ ରେ ସୁଇଚ୍ जो
बस 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 सेम जिनिस यदि हमें कैरेक्टर ग्रेड बी नेले तो ग्रेड टा एठी नेले तो केस it is match with the case A, it is match with the case B, case C, so it is not match. By passing what? By passing a grade B, okay, and grade B is stored here. So for the grade B and C, it is showing you welder. Okay, for the two cases, it is showing you welder, whether it is B or whether it is C. So we are passing a B. B is switched to here, and it is showing you welder. बुझेला? Next is nested switch. So it is possible to have a switch as part of the statement sequence of another outer switch, even if case constant of the inner and outer contain having common value. If it is contain common value, we can pass one switch in another switch. Switch C1 case A, then switch 2. If case A, then it is showing you A is the part of the winner or break B, case B. Okay. So in a switch, you can pass another switch block that is called as the nested switch. INT A 100, INT B 200, case 100. This is a part of the outer switch. Switch B 200. This is a part of inner switch. Then extract the value of A percentile D. Extract the value of B percentile D. Okay. So case 100. It is printing of case 100. Then switch B. This is a part of the inner block. So 200. The case 200 is match, so it is showing you this is a part of the member. Preventive. So this one. Switch A 100. Condition is true. So this is showing you this is a part of the outer switch. Then you are passing a B. So B is also match. So it is showing you this is a part of inner switch. Then I run the file. So this is a part of outer switch. This is a part of inner switch. Then exact value of A is 100. Exact value of B is 200. Clear? You write a switch case program that you have to accept a number and show the corresponding date. Accept a number from 1 to 7
1 to 7
and show the corresponding
corresponding
day. Like if you enter 1, then it is showing you Monday.
ଏଇଟା ସ୍ୱିଚ୍ କେସ୍ ରେ କେମିତି ହବ ମାନେ
Switch case
କଣ ଅଛି ସ୍ୱିଚ୍ କେସ୍
switch case now. बुझा? ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास है, अब वो देखिए.
थैंक यू सर